Yeah, okay. Hey, I'm eating peanut butter and honey sandwich, but here you go. You wash your greens however you wash them. Some people wash in vinegar, some people wash just in water, some people wash with a little soap. My mom and them, believe it or not, they used to wash their vegetables in Tide washing powder. The collard greens and stuff, they had to be washed in Tide. Now, since then, we've moved towards lemon and vinegar and all of that, but ask your mamas and your grandmamas how they used to clean greens. Anyway, once you get them washed, you need to send them through a salad spinner because they need to dry. But in addition to that, you need to lay them out somewhere, kitchen, whatever. This is my dining room. I lay mine out on sheet pans in my dining room on paper towels. And then when they are completely dry, because the trick to keeping greens for weeks is that they have to be completely dry. So let's take these collards, for example, and I got some more in there and carrots in there and stuff, but I needed a break, so I needed to eat. Once you feel like these are dry enough, you take this, but you're not wasting these paper towels. You take these greens and you just roll them, just like this. Okay, and then you label a Ziploc bag collards, and you can date it if you want to, and you put your collards in there, and if they are completely dry, I promise you, they will keep fresh for weeks. Now, I know y'all young people are rich and stuff, and y'all got them little cute little containers, little cute little clear and white acrylic little containers. Do it like that, but those greens need to roll in the paper towel so that the moisture from the refrigerator doesn't wet the green. That's the point. The drier it is, the longer it's gonna keep. So I'm hungry, y'all. I'm tired. I lifted weights. I washed a whole bunch of greens. I got a watermelon in there, carrots, more collards in there. I got to finish washing. I am out for today. I hope this helped y'all. Y'all go out there and make it a great day and get to washing some greens and storing them away. You know, I believe in meal prepping veggies over meals, because when you meal prep veggies, you can decide what you're going to eat. If you meal prep meals, you are almost forced to eat that meal because you've prepped it. Hey y'all, make sure you get all the air out of your bag or however you're storing it. Should be any air in there. Get it out. It should lay flat. Right there in your vegetable jar. It's just going to lay flat.